Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a confirmation email to someone after they've completed a form on your website. Here you can see I can go to my website and then enter an email address and click the submission button. What I want to have happen is the person who submitted this form get a brief email just explaining a little bit about how we're going to get back to them and we got their form submission. To do this, you'll need to go to your WebStarts dashboard and make sure that you upgrade your email marketing app. Next, make sure that you go into the page that you'd like to edit that has the form on it, and go ahead and click on the form and then click the edit form icon and then click the form settings tab. Under the forms settings tab, go ahead and choose a mailing list that you would like to put the person who submitted the form into. By default, you can choose the contacts form, or you can create new mailing list names if you go back out to the email marketing app. Now, going into the email marketing app, I can create the email that I want to send and choose the interval that I would like to send it. When you open up the email marketing app for the first time, you'll be in the list view. Here you can see my list contacts. That's where I chose to put the people who submitted that form on my website. I can create an autoresponder by clicking on autoresponder, click add new autoresponder, choose that I would like to send it to my contacts list. Again, that can be whatever list that you put the person who submitted the form into. Create a subject line and then choose when you would like that email to go out. And for the most part, you're going to choose immediately. And then you create an email right in this section. When you're finished, click save and that email will be saved and it will go out immediately to everyone who is entered into that contacts list from the form. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and enable notifications to be the first to see our newest videos.